These are the evil aliens. G'day, Rebel Base.
We've got to stop those angry aliens from destroying the city.
Laser guns are ready.
Let's go.
I will test the laser.
My laser gun works fine.
I will test the laser.
So does mine.
G'day, Homeworld.
Hey, I'm receiving an emergency radio transmission from home base.
Yeti City has been destroyed. You must eliminate the angry aliens.
This means war. Space wars. There they are, up ahead. Let's go get them. There they go, behind the planet Saturn.
Fire laser. Fire laser. Fire laser.
Look, two angry aliens are getting away. Let's chase them. I see them up ahead. Let's get them. Oh no, they've entered that asteroid field. But I saw which one they're hiding behind. The angry aliens are behind that big asteroid.
Fire laser.
Oh no, I missed, and he's getting away. He's trying to hide behind that newborn planet. We got him now.
Fire laser.
Oh no, we missed. Watch out, he's firing back. He missed us.
Fire laser.
Yeehaw, we got him. Let's go back to the base and let everyone know they're all destroyed. Hooray! All of the evil aliens have now been destroyed.
Thanks for watching.